Hey, welcome to my kitchen. It's Paul again, Horse Retirement Adventures. This is a part of my sheepshead I caught today, and I'm gonna grill it on a half shell. They call it grilling it on a half shell. I think that's what they call it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try some of my own recipe. I got some melted butter, some natural seasonings, parsley flakes, and then I always put some Parmesan cheese. The shredded stuff, the stinky stuff that smells like feet. Put some of that on top of that. So I'm gonna brush some butter on there if I can find a brush. Guess I probably should have had that ready, but I got one. I got something. All right, here we go. I'm gonna use a spoon. I'll put some parsley on there in there too. Some flakes of parsley flakes. Give it some flavor. I'll put that in with the butter. About that much, maybe a little more. And I'm gonna put some natural seasons. Nature's season. I always say natural because I can't read. Nature's seasons, not natural. Of course, nature is natural. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of that in here. It's all gonna cook in. Oh man, that looks good already. It's like a good soup. And I'm just gonna put it on my fish, just like this. Just like this. Now this is that great big sheepshead that I caught today. And I'm gonna try, my wife is up north visiting her dad in a nursing home. So she's doing her daughter thing, which is fabulous. She goes every single month to go visit her dad, all the way up to Indiana, every month, which is fabulous. She's a great daughter. Okay. I'll put all that on. Then I'm gonna sprinkle some Parmesan on there and let that cook in there. Just like this. And now you think, well, that's a lot, but it's all gonna melt inside the fish. Is that not looking good or what? Look at that. I'm gonna show you. Take you off of there. See? Look at that. All right, that's sheepshead on a half shell. When they say half shell, it's because you leave the skin on, like that. And then that'll all peel off. And I'm fixing to cook it out on the grill, so come join me on the grill. More to come. All right, got the grill at about 500, but it's probably too hot, which is okay. So I turn her down. Whew. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm setting this thing right on the grill. Okay, just like that. Here's my fish. Okay, can you see it? So anyway, I'm gonna set that on the grill, in the grill, on the grill, in the grill, and cook it. Now some folks say about 5 minutes, but this is a big fish, so it's going to be more like a 10-minute cook, I would think. I'm going to close it. They say cook it at around 400 degrees. I'm right at 400 now, so I'm going to try to keep it at 400. And you guys got the time? All right, I got it. It's 5 o'clock. So at 5 minutes I'm going to check it, and then at another 5 minutes I'm going to check it and see how it goes. So anyway, hey, if you haven't seen it, this is the back side of the house. I don't think I've ever shown anybody the back side. That's our best room in the house right there. That's our great big screen porch. And here's the house. It's a little cloudy today. Had a little rain, but that's okay. There's my wife's flowers that she planted. Look at that. There's the side of the house. There's Milo. There's our lemon tree that ain't got much lemon on it yet, about 5. And a lemon bush. Some more of my wife's plants. That's a fake plant. This is the backyard. That's what it looks like. Back here in the back. Look at that. I cleared that out on all the underbrush so I could see more out there. See where those little suns are that are shining? That's our property line. So we cleared all the brush out there so Milo can go out there and relax and you know, go poo-poo, stuff like that. And right there's the other smiley face. So So that's it. That's our backyard. That's a beautiful day over there, but over here in Florida, it's looking gray. Okay, more to come. We will be checking on this in a couple of minutes. Paul out. This is the inside of that porch I was telling you that I like to, we always just sit out here when it cools off. I mean, when it gets down to 80, we just turn the ceiling fans on and just relax, look outside. Here's little Milo. Got my TV in there so I can watch sports. And that's bamboo. It's fake too. That's the inside of the house. Okay, so I didn't show you guys the inside of the porch, but that's what this is. And we got this. I think Tony got this online or at what's that big box store? I forgot the name of that big box store that everybody goes to. But it's fabulous, wicker, beautiful seating. I think it was only like $1,500. I mean, most of these things are $5,000 and stuff like that. This is perfect though for us. Anyway, that's the inside of our porch, looking out. Now we're going back out to check the fish. Say hi to Milo. Say hi, Milo. He thinks I'm mad at him or something. There he goes. All right, let's go check our fish, man. Here we go. It's been 5 minutes. Whew, she's sizzling, but not even close to being done. Because that's a fat. Could you feel the heat? That's a fat fish. So I'm gonna have to let her set another 5 minutes. Okay, I'll check in a minute. Paul out. Paul again. Just want to let you know that I made a mistake. I wasn't supposed to have foil on the grill. The fish was supposed to be laying right on the grill like that. So hopefully it turns out I kind of messed up, but that's what happens. I'm not a very good cook, but I'm a good fisherman. I caught this fish and we're gonna cook it and I'm gonna eat it. And it's probably gonna be another 5 to 10 minutes yet because I just put it back on the grill, took it off that foil. My mistake. So hey, don't put it on foil when you put it on the grill. Okay, pull out. Let's check on that fish again. And it's looking good, looking good. I don't think she's done yet. Some of it is, these little pieces are probably done, but I don't think the whole fish is done yet. So we're gonna cook it a little longer because you don't want to eat raw fish unless you're eating sushi. I don't like sushi, so I don't eat raw fish. So I'm cooking it a little bit longer, another 4 or 5 minutes. All right, pull out. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's done. And it looks done. Nice and crispy. Woo. Uh-oh. Is that gonna work? Oh, it kind of worked. Look at that. They say this is the poor man's lobster because it's so white and dense. And that does look like a piece of lobster meat, doesn't it? Look at that. That is fabulous. I'm gonna eat it. And yeah, it looks really good, don't it? Turned out nice. So use my recipe. You're gonna have to figure out what I put in there, but it's okay. Just season to your likings. That's what I just did. So, all right, I'm getting ready. I made some salad while I was doing this, so I'm getting ready to bring it in and have some dinner. Thanks for watching Horsley Retirement Adventures. I think this turned out fabulous. It looks terrific. So I'm getting ready to go eat. All right, Paul out.